everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're getting ready for Valentine's Day with a new gift in a jar idea. We're going to be making a quick and easy bulk mug cake mix. We're going to be able to use this as a holiday gift, a Valentine's Day gift, a birthday gift, a Christmas gift, whatever kind of gift you want, or you're going to be able to make it for yourself and just keep it for yourself. Because sometimes we want a little something sweet, but we don't want to go to the store and we don't want to make a big old cake. This is how you fix that problem. So let's go see how this all comes together. I'm going to show you how to make a really easy bulk mug cake mix. The girls really like having the mug cake mixes on hand because then they can just whip this up in a mug or in a mason jar, which is what I'm going to share with you today.
Takes no time at all.
None. And it literally takes like a minute and a half in the microwave, and then you can add whatever you want to it. You can put whipped cream on top, or you can have it with ice cream, and it's a really easy way to have a quick dessert, and it only takes these two things. Seriously, you can make this any flavor you want, but you need one cake mix of your choice, and of course you know I prefer Duncan Hines, and one angel food cake mix of your choice. Today we're going to do the dark chocolate fudge, and I have an angel food cake mix that I got at Aldi. This is the Aldi's brand, but that's only because this is what I had on hand, but you can of course get the Duncan Hines angel food cake mix if you want. Basically, angel food cake mix is nothing more than sugar, a little bit of flour, and dried egg whites. This is a great gift in a jar. You can make this up and you can give it to friends and family, and with Valentine's Day coming up, I thought we're gonna go with the chocolate because Valentine's Day and chocolate go together like Jenny and Forrest. Get yourself a plastic bag. This is like the easiest thing that you'll do all year. Dump both of these mixes in here. Okay, so now we have both of our cake mixes in our plastic bag, and all we have to do is make sure this is sealed up really good and kind of give this a toss. But that's it. That's how easy it is to make a mug cake mix bulk style with easy ingredients from the grocery store. Making a bulk mug cake mix like this is super easy, and since you only need 2 cake mixes to do it, this is gonna last you a long time. You literally use 1/4 cup of mix with 3 tablespoons of water. Pop it in the microwave for 1 minute to 1.5 minutes, depending on the strength of your microwave, and you are on your way to having chocolate cake anytime you want it. Let's make one. I'm going to just take 1/4 cup of this cake mix. I'm going to make mine in a jelly jar, not in a mug today, because I want you to see what it looks like. And honestly, this isn't a very big cake, you know, when we're finished. It's just perfect for 1 serving size. So I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of water. Just like that. And I'm going to give this a mix. And there we have it. I'm going to pop this in the microwave. My microwave is 1100 watts, so it's going to take just about 1 minute, and I'll be back and I'll show you what this looks like. Okay, our mug cake is out of the microwave. It's completely cooked and we're good to go. I'm going to go fix this up for you, put the cake mix in a pretty jar, and then we're going to come back and we're going to chat a little bit. There is our delicious double chocolate fudge mug cake that we made in a mason jar, but you can make it in a mug. And you can keep it in a mug and put your ice cream on top and your whipped cream on top, but nobody says you have to keep it in the mug. You can make these up and serve them up just like this, and they look fancy and beautiful, and they're gonna be delicious. I went ahead and I put our cake mix in the mason jar. This is perfect for gift giving. Put a cute little ribbon on there and a tag, and you're good to go. But look here, if you put this in a pint jar, you're easily gonna get 3 pints, because this is what's left after I filled 1/4. Now I also want to let you know, remember when I said that you could make this any flavor you wanted? It's just a cake mix and an angel food cake mix, whatever you want. I went ahead and I mixed up a birthday cake version, but I think I put too many sprinkles in mine. So be warned, if you do with the sprinkles, make sure that you don't use, like I put like a whole tub of sprinkles in here, and that was probably really a bad idea on my part, but it's still really tasty, and the cake turns pink when you mix it all up and then cook it in the microwave. This is still delicious, it's just got a lot of sprinkles in it. But what I would suggest is leave the sprinkles out and then put them on top when you bake the cake in the microwave, because if you're gonna give this as a gift, I would just put it in the jar just like this, tap it down, and then I would put the sprinkles in a separate bag and I would put them in the top of the jar. That way people can either add the sprinkles or not add them if they like. This is just a yellow cake mix and angel food cake mix, and it's really delicious too. I gave it a try. But this is a really great way to get a lot of gifts out of the way. You can have them ready and you can just pull them off the shelf when you need them. That's how you make a really quick bulk mug cake mix that you can keep on hand, you can give as a gift, and you can enjoy it anytime you want. So I hope this blesses you today. I hope it was a good idea for you. I hope you learned something. I hope you give it a try. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. If you are new to my kitchen, welcome. It's a pleasure to have you. Please hit that subscribe button, and if you are already a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, be sure to go down below the video and hit that notification button so that you don't miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope that you give this bulk mug cake mix a try for Valentine's Day or anytime, and I hope that you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.